Beauties, I had gotten a lot of requests recently to show how I style my hair into a sleek low ponytail. So I wanted to go ahead and put together a quick and easy hair tutorial for you beauties today. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is take your hairspray and a brush, and of course you'll need a hair elastic. So what I do is I just brush my hair. So I just go ahead and brush it and brush out any tangles and anything like that. And then I do have it parted already in the middle. I do normally part my hair in the middle. So if you want, you could always change the part up and part it on the side. That would also look super cute. So then I just go ahead and take both my hands and pull it into the back and hold it like so. Now, if you have any bumps on top, you can just go ahead and tuck them in with your hand and smooth everything out really well. Now is the time when you can take your brush and kind of just smooth everything into place with the brush. So I'm just going over. I get a lot of bumps in the back, so I just want to make sure I go ahead and smooth those out. So I love that so far. I'm not going to style this too much because I'm going to the front portion of my hair because I am going to pull that out. Right now I'm just going to take my elastic and I'm just going to tie that right around the back of my hair to hold our pony in place. And then I just like to go ahead and pull it so that we get it nice and tight against our head. And then I'll just go back in again and just brush out any bumps and any tangles. So what I like to do a lot of times is take the front pieces of my hair and I just pull them out. You could always pull them back if you want, just for today's look. I just love to have them out and just kind of framing my face. And then I'll just go ahead and give a spray just to smooth down any flyaways. And then I will go back over after I hairspray my hair. I'll go back over to make sure all the bumps are smoothed out. But there you go. That's my sleek low ponytail hair tutorial. If you want, it's also super fun to take a hair tie and you can just tie it around the back of your pony and give it a really cute look. So I'm just going to take this bandeau here and I'm just going to tie that around. But that's just a really cute option if you want. There's so many different types of hair ties that you can get. Black ones, floral print, your designer print. There's so many different prints that you can use and it's just so much fun to change up your look. If you also have any bumps in the back and you want to keep it super sleek, you can also take the bobby pins that match your hair color and just kind of place those in the back towards where you put your elastic on your pony and just smooth them and keep them into place that way. If for some reason you have a lot of bumps, you can definitely take a bobby pin and hold those pieces to stay smoothed down and in place for you. Another great tip is to spray some hairspray on a toothbrush and use that to smooth down any flyaways or any bumps you might have. So that's pretty much it, beauties. It's super easy to create your sleek low ponytail at home. Let me know if you're into wearing ponytails now. They're just so easy to do on the go and make yourself look cute and put together and stylish, especially if you're not having the cleanest hair day or you're having a bad hair day. Just pop a ponytail in your hair and you'll feel so put together, so cute, quick and easily. So I couldn't recommend doing a ponytail more. It also kind of even gives you like a facelift effect because it pulls your hair back and it's kind of pulling your face back and it just makes you look instantly more wide awake and all that good stuff. So thank you, beauties, so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not already subscribed and follow me on Instagram. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. Bye. I love you.